far on that one.
Yeah, we did. I thought that spot would be covered, but it wasn't.
Yeah, I think they got us from that green container.
Yeah, that's a good spot for them.
To the back part where they run up, if you go right there.
Yeah, you've got a good line of sight. I like your position. I'm going to back you up.
From last game, I was right there.
Oh, sweet.
On these barrels.
Okay.
We just gotta watch it right.
Yeah, I see him right there.
Yep. They're all on the left of the tanker, our like 10, 11 o'clock. They're either going to flank or they're going to draw fire so the guy can plant the bomb.
I'm taking fire, just so you know, from this direction. From my right. From here. I don't think you're exposed. He knows I'm here, that's why he's shooting.
Do they have to put it under this part of the tank?
No, the front. That's why you've got a good angle. No, stay.
Stay.
Yeah. Just defend the tanker. Just make sure you have line of sight on the front end of the tanker. Okay. We have a friendly up front, just so you know, he's at the rear of the tanker. Friendly at the rear of the tanker. Surprised they're not taken out yet. You might be exposed from your right. Oh, we got two friendlies up front. Okay, I guess we do move up. I'm gonna stay. No, you're in the best spot. You stay where you are, because you're covered and you have line of sight. Stay. Yeah, just make sure you have line of sight to the front end of the tanker, because that's where they have to plant it. If you don't have line of sight, then move to a position to where you do. Yeah. You want to have line of sight to the front end of the tanker. If not, move to a different position. Thank you. The front of the tanker is on the right. It's the right. The right side of the tanker is the front. All right. Check your right. Check your right. Check your right. Sir, check cross field. Make sure you're clear all the way to the right.
Hey, they're on the right. They're on the
Okay.
right.
We only got 30 seconds. Ricochet. Ricochet off the barrel. Here he comes. Best thing to do is just don't move. We got about 30 seconds. We got 30 seconds left. Okay, I'll watch our right. I'm watching right, but I'm exposed. My left is exposed. That's game. That is how you do it, gentlemen. Hey, that's game. That's game. Excellent teamwork, good communication.
Good great work, great talking.
Great communication, everyone. Way to play aggressively, well done. Because that's how you win the objective games, is by working as a team. Good job, no bands. Very well done, guys who pushed up.
Those guys did great.
You had a sweet spot. That was a good pushing. Y'all did an excellent job pushing up. Thank you very much. Y'all cinched it.
Good job, bro. That was good.
That was a dicey position to be in because they could shoot you this way.
Yeah, that was great. We could not, we had that thing so covered.
Yeah, we had it locked down. Good job, y'all.
I actually was feeling bad for whoever had that bomb in their hand and was going to run up and try to put that
They were going to take a lot of BBs.
There was...
Good job, no bands. We actually held it. We defended it. Well done. Good teamwork, everybody. Very well played. Hey, we all did it. Excellent teamwork. I love it when a plant, when we all work together.
Nice.
Beats just running around shooting each other.
Good job, Chase.